All right, this problem is asking us to solve this quadratic by taking a square root, okay? So we think back to kind of the easier ones where we had something like x squared equals 9. You just take the square root of both sides, and we know we get x equals plus or minus 3, okay? So that's our answer for that one. But what if our squared part is actually has parentheses? What if something in parentheses is squared? Let's see what happens. We're trying to get that part by itself, so I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. I'm left with x minus 4 quantity squared equals 144. Okay, so I still have to take the square root of both sides, but when I do that, here the square root and the square are going to cancel. On the other side, we have 12, actually plus or minus 12, like we had the plus or minus 3 over here. But we can't move things over with a plus or minus. That's not a real sign we use. So we have to make two problems. We're going to say the first one, x minus 4 equals the positive parts, so positive 12. And a second one where we have x minus 4 equals the negative part, negative 12. And then if I add 4 to both sides on each problem, we're left with x equals 16 and x equals negative 8. If you were to plug those two back into your original, it would work. Let's try it with one. Let's do 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 squared is 144. 144 plus 12 gives us the original 156. And it also worked with negative 8. Negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12. Negative 12 squared is also 144, and so on. So you get the same answer.